Okay, the easiest way to add or to get your student survey out to students is by having your student survey open. Click on the send button. Click on the email link button, and you can either shorten the URL or just hit copy. Then open up the platform that you're going to share your survey with your students. It could either be your Google Classroom, your Google site. And I'm going to use my middle school one, and I have a 5th grade page, and I'm sharing mine with 5th grade. So I would go to the 5th grade Media Tech page, and I would add a text box at the top. And where'd it go? That's the header. I want the text box. I'd put student survey. I'll move it when I'm done. And then you can either just paste the link or you can embed the link by pasting it and apply. All right, and then I'm going to pull this up so it's at the top. And there it is. So that would be how to add it to my web page, or if I have a Google Classroom that I send my students to, I can open up that Google Classroom, click on class link, classwork, hit create, assignment, student survey, and then click on the link button down here, paste my link, add link, and then assign. And students would get my assignment that way. All right, I hope that answered your question.